Welcome back to my channel Informatica Hub. I hope you guys are doing absolutely good. So in this video, I am going to talk regarding Comet K choice filling. As you know, Comet K choice filling is knocking at the door, and yes, it is one of the most important and vital part while your college selection. As you know, college selection is kind of a selection which definitely help you to path your career or to path your dreams. Okay, as you know, a good colleges can give you a better opportunities, but yes, on the other side, it's like anywhere you study, you can get the best whenever you are putting your effort. Both the sides are correct, but yes, why to miss the opportunity if you are having an opportunity to select a good college? Okay, so how you can fill the choices in Comet K counseling? Definitely a question might be running in your mind, what exactly you should do and what exactly you should take care while filling the choices. तो सबसे पहले मैं बातें करूंगा चॉइस फिलिंग करते क्यों है, चॉइस फिलिंग करते क्यों है, चॉइस फिलिंग होती कैसे है. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल चॉइस फिलिंग नेक्स्ट मंथ में अराउंड फर्स्ट वीक के एंड से स्टार्ट हो जाएगी, मींस जुलाई फर्स्ट वीक के बाद ऑलमोस्ट टेंटेटिव स्टार्ट हो जाएगी क्योंकि अभी एक्सटेंड हुई registration ki date. I think all of you have been registered in the Comet K counseling. So before starting the video, I would like to introduce myself. I am an IT guy, and yes, I make videos regarding IT companies, college reviews, placement experience, technology experience, and lots more that you can think regarding IT and all. और हाँ, अगर choice filling में help चाहिए तो you can book a slot with me. I think it will take around 1 hour, so you can book a 1 hour slot or 30-minute slot where we can discuss on a two-way go, and yes, can fill your choices so that you can get what exactly you deserve. Okay, let's keep all this apart. First of all, let's talk on the general scenario how you should pursue for a choice filling. See, choice filling is very important because that definitely decide what exactly you are going to get. And yes, if you are coming to Bangalore and yes, investing around 15 lakhs, as you know, each and every colleges, the base fees for Comet K is around 2.21. Okay, 2.21 plus hostel fees, so that is around 3.21, and extra expenditure if I'm talking about, it will be going around 15-16. Okay, so if you're expending this much and coming to Bangalore, I would suggest definitely follow the trend. Okay, like CSIT, I'm not demotivating anyone to take no core branches or anything like that, but yes, like in Bangalore, it's a kind of a silicon hub of India, and yes, you can go for circuital branches, CSIT branches, mid-soft branches you can go, so that in terms of getting a job, it would be a better opportunities over here. There will be a better opportunities over here. In fact, you think that no, my interest lies in mechanical, my interest lies in civil, my interest lies in electrical, my interest lies in this. You can choose those branches also, no worries in that. But the thing is that you need to be little bit branch oriented. You need to be little bit branch driven. You need to be little bit coding driven also, because you know that almost each and every student studying in any of the branches in private engineering college, almost 95% of those students are working in an IT firm. That's the very fact thing. 90 to 95%. 10% get a core job. Others, in terms of job perception, I'm talking, if 100% are doing a job, 90 will be in IT or something related to that, and 10% in the core job. So like you should decide that what exactly you should choose, how exactly you should make a move in this. And yes, once you are making a move, definitely that will be giving or paving a way for your future. Okay, keep all this aside. Choice filling is a very important part. Okay, choice filling makes you or takes you to a good college. Now how you should fill the choices. See, सबसे पहले एक बड़ी मिस्टेक जो आप लोग कॉमेट के में करोगे और जो होती है, like many of the colleges are having same name. Like if you are going for an RVC, the thing is that the college, you will be getting campus 1, campus 2, campus 3, campus 4. Similarly, if you are going for an Ramaiya, you will be getting other campus 2. Similarly, if you are going for an Dayanand Sagar College of Engineering, campus 1, 2, 3. अब दिक्कत क्या होगी ना, when you are filling the choices, you are not matching the code, the main campus code while filling the choice. What exactly happened? You make out the mistake landing into a second campus, which you literally deserve better than that. Because the thing is, like if you are moving to the second campus, it would be like you are just leaving behind some of the good choices of college in between. Okay, like suppose you have to fill Dayanand Sagar campus 1, you by mistakenly fill Dayanand Sagar campus 2. It's allotted some branches over there, but if you are going to that crowd, you are seeing that the crowd is totally different. Okay, and once you are into the lower segment of college in Karnataka, you would find that most of the people will be local only, because in fact orientation and all the things would be happen in local language. I'm not telling that it's a bad thing or something like that. It would be like you are not getting what exactly you should get. Okay, it's all good, but this mistake you can avoid. Okay, avoid this mistake, like how whenever you are filling the choices, just keep remember that you have to fill only main campus first. Apart from that, you have to go for that deemed campus or the second campus. Now, second thing that you should take care, like you should be knowing what exactly is the sequence that people are demanding in Bangalore, like which are the colleges are in the topmost demanded, because many of you might not be aware of, like I was also back when I am remembers my engineering days, I also don't know that which are the good colleges. Nowadays it's like everything is in YouTube, everything is in Google, you are aware that हाँ मिल जाएगा कौन से कॉलेज में जाना है नहीं जाना है, बट पहले ये सब नहीं था, तब भी एक क्लियर नोटिफिकेशन और क्लियर कंसेप्ट और क्लियर माइंडसेट बनाना होगा आपको कि कौन से कॉलेज अच्छे है कौन से कॉलेज खराब है। लाइक खराब कुछ नहीं होता, बट हाँ कौन से कॉलेजेस गुड है। सो मैं एक सीक्वेंस बताता हूँ जो कि आपको थोड़ा बहुत हेल्प करेगा। लाइक इफ यू आर कमिंग टू बैंगलोर, फर्स्ट चॉइस योर शुड बी RVC, बिकॉज ऑफ द ग्रेट एलुमनाई बेस, बिकॉज कॉलेज बहुत दिन से एग्जिस्ट करता है, इट्स हैविंग अ गुड प्लेसमेंट रिकॉर्ड इन पास्ट ऑल्सो, एंड वी बिलीव दैट इट वुड बी ग्रेट इन फ्यूचर ऑल्सो। सो यू कैन गो फॉर एन RVC। सेकेंड चॉइस of the college, I'm talking about main campus. Second, you can move with Ramaiya. Third, you can move with BMS. Fourth, you can move with Dayanand Sagar, and there are similar colleges if you can similar colleges that are also too good if you want to move little beyond the Bangalore, like like NIM Mysore. After that, you can go for SIT Tumkur. All these are the good colleges. Okay, there are also list of mid-segment colleges like SRM-IT, CMR-IT, after that RNS-IT, after that JSS Technical Institute. All these are the mid-segment colleges that are literally good. But yes, when you are not aware of this kind of good college, you definitely end up meeting up filling anything in the choice, and yes, making a wrong choices at the moment in terms of college. अब तो choice filling college के बेस पे मैं बताया कि हाँ ये सब आप ले सकते हो। कॉलेज फिलिंग चॉइस फिलिंग ब्रांच के बेसिस पे बताता हूँ क्या बैंगलोर में डिमांडेड है। मैंने इनिशियली मेंशन किया बैंगलोर इज अ काइंड ऑफ सिलिकॉन हब एंड पीपल एक्जैक्टली वांट टू गो फॉर CSC IT ब्रांचेस ओवर हियर। So now the thing is that CSC IT की डिमांड तो है ही यहाँ पे। What exactly you can do that is try to figure out what exactly you want. I am not demotivating कि हाँ core branches नहीं लेना है, but yes, if you are a job oriented person, you are nowhere carrying any interest, you want to do anything that is going in the flow, because maximum student के साथ होता है ऐसा, they are not aware, then I would suggest CSC IT की फिलिंग करना पहले, ठीक है, उसके बाद सर्किटल की ब्रांचेस की फिलिंग करना, और उसके बाद आप कोर ब्रांचेस फिलिंग कर सकते हो किसी भी कॉलेज के। और इनफैक्ट मैं बोलूँगा बैंगलोर के लिए फिलिंग कर रहे हो, कोई इंटरेस्ट नहीं रखते हो, तो सबसे पहले हर टॉप कॉलेजेस की CSC IT इलेक्ट्रिकल CSC IT और सर्किटल फिल करना। ओके, CSC IT सर्किटल, CSC IT सर्किटल, सब सारे गुड कॉलेजेस की। कैंपस 1, आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट कैंपस 1 ओनली। ओके, सो CSC IT सर्किटल फिल करना। लाइक फिलिंग समय आपको ये ध्यान रखना है कि आपकी ओरिएंटेशन क्या है, आपको जॉब चाहिए या फिर आप एक इंटरेस्ट फॉलो करते हो जिसको आपको परस्यू करना है। ओके, इफ यू आर गोइंग फॉर एन जॉब, जस्ट सेलेक्ट द कॉलेजेस दैट आई मेंशन, जस्ट सेलेक्ट द ब्रांचेस दैट इज डिमांडेड, एंड यस, Bangalore is known for that. And rest, if you want to know something more, that personalized choice filling क्या मैं करूँ अपने इंटरेस्ट बता के करना, just schedule a call. I am just adding a section of comment के counseling over there. You can choice filling session. You can just schedule a call. We can connect over a call and yes, can discuss that how you can fill the choice, and yes, how can you make the best while filling the choices. And yes, if you are thinking to participate and go in the comment, but yes, you are not sure that you should not take admission beyond after in comment, so I would suggest don't go beyond second round, because once you enter into a third round, your fees will be not returned to you. So this is the thing that I want to mention. If you think this video was a little bit of informative, don't forget to give a big thumbs up. If you want to schedule a call, there are also 15-minute call, 30-minute call. In fact, I am adding a section of COMEDK counseling call, and last there is a 1-hour call also where we can sit on a Gmeet and yes, discuss and fill your choices. Let's keep the video till here. If you think this video was a little bit of informative, don't forget to give a big thumbs up, subscribe and share it among your friends. We will meet you soon with a new informative content. Tab tak ke liye take care and bye bye.